I'm just gonna style my hair before I take a shower. I know, weird, right? Styling my hair before taking a shower, but I prefer it this way. Okay, so now to lunch to meet up with a friend for lunch. Yeah, I'm gonna probably do like 2 braids or 1 braid or something into it. And then I will add in some pins later when I'm dressed. But yeah, so let me just get this done. My locks are about, I don't know, these are braid locks, as you can see. Well, you can see, but you might not know that they're braid locks. So they're braid locks. I believe these are about 3 months old. I think I did them sometime end of March, early April. So I'm just going ahead and braiding it down. Yeah, so I just had my regular braider braid it down. I have retied them once in that time. So that's the thing. They need to be redone again, I know, but I just haven't had the time to do that. So I'm just gonna braid this up. Even when I used to have like regular braids, like long braids, I used to like braid them up all the time. Like, I'm not a big fan of having my hair down generally, and since it's summer, it's hot, I don't want hair on my neck. So yeah, anyway, so braiding this down. I definitely have a bald spot. Yes, I know I have a bald spot. That's part of the reasons why I decided to lock my hair, so that that spot can have some rest from styling and all the other stuff. So just gonna let that go. I might see a dermatologist about it soon, depending on how I feel. But yeah, yeah, so braiding this down on this side. I think I might wash my hair tonight actually, so I should be able to use hair gel today. I generally don't use hair gel unless I know I'm gonna wash my hair after, because I don't like it just sitting in my hair like that. So that's done. I'm gonna tuck it in. If you can see, I'm tucking that in so it's not sitting. So that's going in, so it's not sitting on my neck like that and just hanging. So that's one done. Then this other side, from the front, pull that back and braid this back as well. I do this all the time. This is like my go-to style for my hair. So that, okay, so now that that is up, what I want to do, gel. So gel, man, this place is disorganized. So gel, and then just brush back a bit. Just a little bit, not too much. We're not trying to shellac the hair back. Just kind of hold it back a little bit. And this is the brush I use for that. Nothing fancy, just it's a Cantu brush. I don't know if you can tell. So just tuck that in. Voila, hair is done. So I'm gonna go get showered, get dressed, and I'll come back and do my makeup. Does that make sense? Hopefully.